Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to the channel. My name is Barry. What's going on everybody? So today I got something pretty cool. We have a track edition RCF, okay? And we have overnight parts from America. So what we have here is, actually I'll just show you. We got a box. In that box has, say hello to Julius. You can follow him at there. But what we have here is, well, it's right there, the RR Racing heat shield. So what today, I'm gonna nicely put this, okay. What we're gonna do today is install that, because you see this? You can fist it, but all that hot air goes right in. And what he's done is he's kept the flap open somehow magically. He'll probably tell me how to do it here in a little bit. But because it's open the whole time, it's always exposed, but we're trying to keep the hot air from going into the intake. So not gonna be completely cold air, but it's gonna be reducing the amount of hot air going in, which theoretically should restore some horsepower. The first step, what we're gonna do, well, you're gonna remove that right there. Now you would normally have a little siren thing. You would remove that and put it somewhere, but we don't have it here. We don't have it here, so we're just gonna remove the thingy-majig. Just remove that. Was that 10 millimeter? That's 10 millimeter. Yep. So nicely, calmly remove that. There was a cable, there's a little cord there, or a little hose there. We'll remove that. Okay. Careful.
Yeah, they wanted in the instructions that these snippets can break.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, be very careful with those ports. It's original like that. You see an extra cable right there, or extra hose? We can cut it right here, and it will still be able to reconnect if he wants to put it back to stock. Yeah, right there. Ooh.
You hear some of the suction, right?
But now we can just snip the rest of it off.
I really don't want to break it.
Yeah, I would not chance it. I would think that piece is pretty vital.
Here it comes.
Man, I just like ripped mine off. I didn't care. I just ripped it. No, it's bad practice.
So now this will go.
Oh yes, we have to remove that and then put it right there.
Yeah.
I'll hold this. I'll keep it safe. Another 10 millimeter?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay, once that's removed, then just place this here and reinstall it. Fine.
Good and tight.
Yep.
I'm just gonna block that.
Yeah.
So there should be a connection between
this
and this that controls the flap, if it's open or not. But this one, just when it gets suction, it closes the flap. And when it closes the flap, you get the car's quieter, the engine. It's for RPMs below 3,000 something. I just wanted to stay open.
Open is up position, or is it down position?
It is. It stays. This is open.
This is open. Okay.
Yeah, and this is closed.
Okay.
And suction makes it closed. So
got it.
I just block it, so there's no suction, and it stays open all the time.
Makes it tight. We have no movement. We can't shift it.
I get it.
Allows me.
Okay, I get it.
Allows movement. We are deciding to remove this piece because we need to get access to the airlines. Just like that.
Nothing more to say.
And we can't get any access to it. What a fail. But anyways, we have access to that right there.
Just look into here.
Okay, you can see that little air, that little nipple right there. So you pull out the line that you just cut or pulled off, and you're gonna attach this one from where again? From there.
We used the original one instead of the shorter one that was there before, to route from the solenoid here to top of the airbox here.
Okay.
We can probably shorten this, but basically this is how this works, and then they supply.
I probably wouldn't shorten it. I'll just keep it just in case you want to return to the stock.
Yeah.
Yeah, you never
and
know.
then they supply us with this one.
Yep, the new supply line. You're going to
This
reattach
goes here,
that.
and then it goes here to the solenoid, and that's it.
And that's it. The troubles we are having is putting the new hose that's provided into the nipple that's down there. We're adding water and other lubricants just to put it in there and see what happens.
Just put some spit on the nipple.
Just spit on the nipple. Hey, is the hose in yet? Dang, how many times you gotta finger it before you put the hose in?
Oh,
What?
look at this.
The heck is that? Oh, a dead bug.
Passenger.
Okay. Oh, I probably shouldn't have recorded that. We're not supposed to kill bees.
Oh, but that wasn't a bee,
That was not a bee, nope.
so we're alright.
Alright, he's using some pliers.
Very long pliers.
Really long pliers, actually. That's. Well, he's.
But it worked. Yeah, it's pushed down.
Oh, nice.
Perfect.
Well, it's in there. Wow. Okay. That was I will say that is probably the hardest part,
Yeah.
just because of the tight spaces.
I've too much of this.
Yeah,
hose.
and I just cut whatever you don't need and.
Yes. And we have one more try.
Yep, we have another trial if we fail. Yep. Put it right there. Oh, yep, it's in.
Yep.
Don't do too much.
No, it's in.
Okay.
Place carbon heat shield over the airbox and using a marker carefully note a cut line on the side plastic trim.
Are you actually
Right here.
Are
Yeah.
you really got it?
Yeah, we have to. Using a sharp utility knife, cut the plastic trim. This allows cool air from the fender area to enter the airbox. Ah, now we know where the fresh air is coming from.
So when I installed mine, I never cut it. I was like, screw it. I'm not gonna cut it. Too lazy. But if you want to cut it, I'm down for it. Down to see it. Okay, so this one I gotta leave it a little room so you can wiggle
Yeah.
it. I can push this in right here.
Ah, I got
yeah,
it.
there we go. So
Nice.
push this in right here. That way you can create space so you won't scratch that. Push this right here. Create space. Yep. That way you have room and align that. Yep. Sitting on top and I'm gonna let go of this now.
Okay, so we need a cutout here, here.
Following the guide.
Okay, I did this line now. Then I have to go from this bend. Ah, right from this bend. Okay, now we can remove it.
Oh, nice mark.
And you can go from this bend. Just follow it, and then down here.
You don't have to go too much there. Don't scratch your car.
No, I'm doing it. Something I can't reverse.
It's okay, I'll just.
Oh, it goes through like butter.
Oh, it's good?
It's really easy. This is really thin, and this is like almost like rubber.
Someone get the band-aid ready.
Yeah.
There's no
I just
going back.
don't want to damage something
Oh, yeah.
behind
Let
it.
me move the hose, because yeah,
Oh yeah, I don't want to cut the hose.
yeah, don't move the. Nice. Bam. Cut off. Okay, so we're looking at cold air coming from this area. Oh yeah, this thing goes all the way into the wheel well. Yeah, it does.
Oh, it does. It really does.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yep, so make sure you leave that loose. That way we can do the adjustments like that. Oh, that's a perfect cut.
It should slide down here somewhere.
Oh, right there. In this.
You don't really have to take this one off.
No, you don't really have to.
That was
But I
not-
mean, it does help you see the.
yeah, a little. Yeah.
So, like so. Oh. The most important piece to keep this in. So ideally, that bolt right there should keep the it from moving. Should, but it's just there's no torque spec. It's just hand tying. After you actually fidget with it, you're gonna get to see it right.
And now
get
it's
that-
perfect fit.
Yep, now it's perfect fit.
You won't do it too tight.
Should be good, no? Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Nice.
So doesn't move. Yeah. So what we're doing is we're ensuring that the flap stays open. Right now it's in a closed position. Do what you just did. All right, folks. If you want to keep the flap open, you don't need nothing connected to that. But what you do need to do is pull that out again. So this thing is constantly sucking air. So just keep that plugged. And this thing will stay closed or open. So what you see is that there's a small suction going on in the tube. Bam. If you can see it, you know what we did, but it stays open. Alright guys, that's how you install a R Racing heat shield. And hopefully that deconfused, like I was confused at first too, and I'd done it before, but hopefully this video helps you guys. That's the first mod. Actually, it's not the first mod. First mod to his RCF track edition is these seat belts and a sticker, you know, plus 5 horsepower. But we got that in there. Okay, this is the first real somewhat mod to the car, so it's pretty nice. But anyways, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next video. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe again. Peace.